The term jack of all trades, master of none does not apply to the PS Audio Sprout. Normally when you try and throw in a Phono Preamp and a headphone amplifier and lots of power into a compact little package like this, something takes a hit. But it turns out that every little component inside this thing is excellent. Simplicity is one of the Sprout's hallmarks. Up front, you've got just two knobs. One is for volume, and you'll be using this a lot because there's no remote control, which I find a little odd. And then over here, you've got a 4-position selector switch. I love that they call it vinyl, not just phono or record or whatever. And then there's an analog digital setting, and then finally, Bluetooth for wireless streaming. On the back, we've got two digital inputs. There's a coaxial here and optical down there. So two different digital sources, although it's only gonna tap one at a time. And then here we've got an analog input and output. You're gonna need a little breakout cable if you wanna connect something with RCA connectors. These two RCA connectors are for the turntable, and this little lug right here is for the ground wire. Behind this little sucker is an adjustment for speakers of lower impedance. So if you have notoriously hard to drive speakers, you'll want to break into there. Otherwise, leave it alone. And then binding posts for your left and right channels. At the heart of the Sprout, what makes it sound great no matter what your source is a high quality digital analog converter, or DAC, that can handle nearly any type of high resolution audio file. It also has an excellent Phono Preamp. A lot of people like to buy standalone Phono Preamps. You don't need to with the Sprout because what's built in sounds really, really solid. As for power output, you get 50 watts per channel RMS of digital amplification, and it doesn't sound cold or sterile like some digital amps do. This sounds warm and rich and inviting, and it didn't matter what speaker we threw at it, it was able to drive them with authority. The price is $800, and that may sound like a lot for something so small and compact, but I know people who will spend $800 on a headphone amp alone. This is gonna let you play back your vinyl, any of the songs on your phone, it does it all. And it's really compact, so if you're looking for a tight little solution, this is the way to go.